After a discount of 20%, a shop is selling a toaster for $64. Okay, sorry. Then your printing has a little bit of problem, so we're going to put $64. A further $10 discount is given when it is bought online. What was the total percentage discount given when a toaster is bought online? Okay, let's just draw the model for this. So, after a discount of 20%, and then this 20%, the shop is selling a toaster for $64. So from here to here, it is $64, and this will be 80%. Then they say that a further $10 discount is being given. So you take your $64 minus 10. Actually, the person is only paying $54, right? In order to find out what is the total percentage discount, I have to find out the total cost first. I have to find out the original 100% cost. Now, since 80%, which is this, is representing $64, I'm going to find 100% first. So you just take this divided by this. Okay, sorry, as you realize, my voice changed a little bit because I'm having a terrible sore throat. Okay, this hungry ghost man, the air is killing my throat a little bit. Okay, 64 divided by 80 multiplied by 100. Okay, 64 divided by 80 multiplied by $100. Okay, let's just put a number into our calculator and see where it brings us. Where is my calculator? Okay, I got it. 64 divided by 80 multiplied by so that will give us $80. Okay, without any discount, he needs to pay $80. With the 20% discount and with the $10 discount, he needs to pay this. So we have to find a difference. So the difference will be $80 minus $54, and that will give us $26. This is the difference, huh? Why do we need a difference? Is because they're asking us for what is the total percentage discount given. If it's total percentage discount, you have to take the difference, which is 26 divided by the original. What's the original price? $80. Okay, difference over original multiplied by 100%. This formula I've already taught you all in many of the previous videos, so if you all do not know or understand the rationale behind it, please go and watch the previous video, yeah? Okay, so 26 divided by 80 multiplied by $100, 100%, that would be 32.5%. This is the percentage discount. Alright, so for this one, remember to draw your model. With the model, you'll be able to visualize it a lot faster. So do you all realize that if I do not need to explain to you all, I can do it really, really quickly. Which means that if you're a student watching this, you'll be able to do it really, really fast as well. So don't have to worry about all the time taken to draw the model. It's just going to improve the accuracy of your answer. Alright, cheers!